This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? We are at the Motor Expo 2025 Bangkok. Leapmotor B10. It's not in Norway, it's not coming to Norway, but many of my followers requested me to check out this car, so it's probably coming to other European countries. But this is the B10, and we have the C10 here, the largest C10. So at least the B10, we check it out. We see they're putting, well, I think it's to prevent the people from driving. Okay, check out the front first. Nice interior, no nonsense stuff here, you know, just nice soft materials where you touch, right? And then, oh, same here, just like in the C10, you have the Tesla style scroll wheels, up and down, you can press it, you can go left and right. Interesting. Why not? And then the door, is that soft close? I think in this price range you don't get the luxury soft close. Okay, so it has a smaller screen here than the C10, but still have some information. They also seem to be similar size, at least main screen, horizontal screen. I like it. Manual air vents here, cup holders here. What the heck, man? There's some show going on somewhere here. Okay, whatever. To my surprise, okay, one charging pad on that side. Come on, handshake. No. But not, wait. I thought these were charging pads. I'm not sure, maybe I haven't turned them on. But center console, okay, not that spacious. We have this bridge design. Well, actually, I wouldn't say it's British, but it's just, we have one USB-C, one USB-A there, the 12-volt outlet is there. Nice space here in the center for putting some stuff. And then we have here for various accessories you can put here. Wait, does it mean that this glove box is also tight? How do you open the glove box? Okay, sorry, didn't have too much preparation time, but it's probably there, my bad. Oh, the glove box here is actually normal size, unlike in the C10, which is just tiny. But okay, we have the sunroof here. I'm not sure how to operate it. Usually it's just, I think you're supposed to operate it from the main screen. Yeah, so it is in Thai now, so I'm not gonna bother too much with it, but just checking here. Plenty of headroom here, of course. And then, how is it? Well, let me check. What about Frunk? Normally there'd be a handle here. Yeah, same here. The C10 has a Frunk. What about the B10? Oh, okay. See that you pay the extra price for the C10. C10 has struts holding up. Here there is no strut, and I feel the Chinese steel is heavy. Oh shit! And also the C10 actually has some plastic covering up, so it looks nice. Here they just slap down this Frunk right here. Is that okay? You pay less price, you get less plastic. Yeah, why not? Wait, where do you put the? Okay, there. Yeah. So I mean, it's still okay size though. It seems to be the same size as the C10 when it comes to the Frunk. And then let me check in the back. Here's where the differences start, because here, yeah, I can see it. We have less leg room, less comfort, maybe less space. These cannot be reclined, as far as I know. Okay, yeah, less space here in the lengthwise. I think I adjusted it for myself roughly. One USB-A, one USB-C, a little pocket there. Wait, no cup holder there, unlike the C10, but does it mean that the cup holder is, okay, it's here then. What the heck is this? Huh? What? What is it? What? Huh? What? It's not, why? You're not supposed to wirelessly charge there. In it? No? Okay. But yeah, it's still kind of okay. Let me try now. How is the comfort here? Space. It seems to be similar. At least headroom seems to be similar. But maybe we have less space in the trunk then. That's where they had to shave off something. And then here, just like in the C10, the trunk opening button is here. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, different trim. Yeah, this has the motorized liftgate. But the subwoofer here also seems to be smaller than the C10. No, wait, huh? No, sorry, it's on this side. That's a subwoofer. But also here, there's no securing hook for cargo. The passenger shelf is there. Just one light, and then under here, you have actually okay space, so you can free up this. You see, if I take out this shelf, then you actually get okay sized trunk. Not too bad, right? And I think the reason why people are interested in the B10 is the price. Is probably affordable for this kind of segment. There's another color of the B10. This is also B10. So I have to say, I mean, it looks nice, and overall also seems to be okay space, okay comfort. That's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching. Talk to you later.